What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you part 3 of my apartment tour. It's finally fully furnished for the most part, about 95% furnished. So I'm going to take you guys through it today. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, this is going to be part 3 of my apartment tour. If you guys have not seen part 1 or part 2, I'm going to put a card up to each of those up here. But I just want to say before we get into it, if you are on this channel and you voted in my last poll, I know many of you, most of you, voted for a day in the life video. I will be doing one hopefully this weekend. I'm just having some current issues with my car. So I'm working on getting those fixed, and then I'm gonna do a day in the life video. But in order to actually put out a video this week and give you guys some content, I know a lot of you still did vote for the apartment tour. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that to you today. So let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna walk you guys through this. It's gonna be very, very casual, not a lot of editing here. So this is the kitchen area. You guys have seen this before. But I've gotten a couple new things in here. I always have my whiteboard on here. I always have these sayings on here. I think those are super important. A couple new things that I've gotten. I've gotten this Ninja blender here, so I like to make some smoothies with that. I've got this toaster, and let's see, what else is new? I got this cutting board. This is from IKEA. This is a nice big cutting board. It's just drying right now, but it kind of covers like this whole area, so super nice cutting board. And had to get the fake plant. If you've ever been to IKEA, you gotta get the fake plant. We got a new food scale. I gotta put paper towels in here. And then I have my rice cooker. So that is the kitchen countertop area. I also have this rug here. This is what I got from IKEA. And this is a nice little runner rug. I think it matches up nicely, the gray color. And also this trash can here is from Target. It's just a simple human. I think it was like 70 bucks. Crazy expensive for just a thing that's gonna hold some trash, but it looks nice, it matches everything, so that's what we went with. As you get over here, this is my front entrance. Right when you walk in, I have this cart, and I use this top area to hold my keys, to put my wallet. I just keep like extra stuff here. I've got my other camera here, AirPods are somewhere around here in my desk, batteries, all that good stuff. That's kind of just like my, when I come in, just throw all my stuff in there. I have my fitness stuff right below that. I like to do some stretches, resistance bands in the morning. And then I have this lamp. This was previously in the bedroom. I think you guys may have seen it before, I'm not sure, but move that out here. And then I know you guys have seen the desk, but I have changed a couple things with the desk. First off, here's a nice overview. Super nice, I like the clean white look. The whole setup, everything is from IKEA except for like the computer stuff. So these are Alex drawers. This is a Linmon tabletop. I don't know the name of the actual chair here, but guys, I'm gonna link all of this stuff down in the description so you can check it out. There is my monitor. This is a nice big 34-inch ultra wide. This is fantastic for video editing. I have my webcam, and then I've gotten this recently. This is the space gray Apple keyboard and the Logitech MX Master 2. So yeah, that's pretty much my little desk setup. I have a microphone over here, the MacBook Pro, all that good stuff. And then of course, again, the fake IKEA plants, as well as this fake IKEA plant. I really just overall like the desk setup. Here's a nice wide view of everything. I think it looks really, really clean, really nice. And yeah, so this is another new addition. I got this lamp from IKEA. It's currently facing up, should be down. But yeah, this is the living room setup. So the couch is from Living Spaces. It's actually discontinued though. They do not have this one anymore. The pillows are from IKEA. I know I've had those before. Also got this area rug. So I kind of went with like a navy theme in here. So this nice rug. This is again from IKEA. Table is from IKEA. So I really like it. iPad there. I like to take my notes here in the morning and just kind of get my day started right there with the iPad. But got this nice chase couch. I still do not have anything out here. I still need to get some furniture out on the patio, but I'll explain why I don't have that furnished yet. Here is the TV stand, so the entertainment center, again, IKEA. I'll have everything linked below in the description, guys. This is a Hisense TV. I think this is a 50-inch. I did want to get a larger one, but for now, it works. I like it and gets the job done. So this is kind of an overview of the entire area. So if I'm back here, This is what it looks like. So it's really nice, guys. I like it. And we'll get into the bedroom. This is still not hung up. I know it wasn't in the last one, but this is the bedroom, guys. So this is kind of what we have in here. This is also from IKEA, the bed. I have the nightstands from IKEA as well. I like to keep my books over here. I like to read at night. So I've got all these here. Story Brand, Feelings, a lot of good stuff. If you guys want any recommendations on books, feel free to drop a comment down below. And yeah, covers from IKEA, and it's pretty much, it's very minimal, very basic. I don't really have a lot going on in here. I don't like to have a television in the bedroom. I like for this to just be somewhere that I sleep. Obviously, I still have a box over there. Need to put that away. But I just keep my shoes right over here, my gym bag. Very basic, very clean. And then I'll show you guys my closet, why not? I don't have anything up there because I don't really have anything to put up there. Down here I keep all my t-shirts, workout clothes, all that good stuff. And then on this side, this is more where I keep my my button downs, anything that's gonna be a little more, I guess, fancy. And over here I just keep my shorts, all that good stuff right over there. So some extra shoes down here, and yeah, that's the closet. So hopping out into here, this is the laundry area. Nothing too exciting going on here, just your basic laundry equipment. There's some extra like storage over here. I just have like my Christmas stuff, some boxes, like all just my extra stuff kind of sitting over here. Some shelves, it's just where I keep my detergent, all that fun stuff, vacuums, all that stuff is right here. So this is not anywhere too exciting. And the last place that I'm gonna show you guys is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom here. I still have the same curtain, just decided to keep it. It works, it's fine. And then I've got the gray mat down here. I don't believe I had these last time. I may have, I don't know. But I decided to finally get a shower mat and then a matching one for over here as well. And let's hang this up. This is obviously not a hand towel, but I still have something over there. And yeah, I usually keep this pretty clean. I keep the toothpaste out. I guess you could technically put this stuff in here, but I don't really mind having a couple things out. And that's me. And that's the camera setup. So, got this fake plant over here as well. This one was also from IKEA. So, what else? Got a towel rack on the back. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the apartment, guys. If you come out here, there's another tour of the living room. And that's pretty much the entire place. Here's another long view. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and I'll just sit back down and just tell you guys a little bit. So the reason why I haven't fully furnished the place and put more on the walls is because I'm actually moving into a 2-bedroom in August. So I'm gonna be moving into a 2-bedroom so I can have an office area. I can put all of my work stuff inside of a room, and then when I'm done for the day with work, I can just close the door and not have to see work, not look at work, and not think about work. Because one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is they say they wanna work from home, but guys, it takes so much self-discipline to actually work when you're at home. And when you have your TV right here and all these temptations, and I have the pool right here, and I can hear people and see people out there having a great, fantastic time, and there's just so many distractions when it comes to working from home that a lot of people don't think about. You have to be super, super self-motivated because there's nobody over you telling you what to do, when to do it, how to do it. There's no clock that says 9 o'clock is when you clock in, 5 o'clock is when you clock out. It's, you do it when it works best for you. Like for me, I like to work at certain times of the day when I can focus the most on the task. Like I do not work well in the mornings. In the mornings, I like to get my workouts done, all my like errands for the day, all that stuff. And then I like to work later in the day. So I know myself enough to know when to work and when not to work. But there's still just the temptations, and when I wake up in the morning, I don't want to see my desk. You know, I'd rather have a nice dining table and put some stuff on the walls and just really decorate the place, and again, just have that completely separate space to get work done. So that's why I don't have anything on the walls. That's why in the bedroom, I don't really have any lamps or anything above the bed or anything going on, because I just want to wait until I get into the 2 bedrooms so that I don't have to move more than I have now. It's actually going to be in this same community. I'm just moving a few buildings over. So it's going to be a pretty simple move. But yeah, that's the apartment tour, part 3, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually really love the furniture that I have. I love the furnishings. I love the design and the feel of these apartments. I really like these apartments. So overall, I'm very happy with the way this apartment looks. Again, this is pretty cool for me because when I lived in Florida, I only had studios. When I lived in LA, I had a studio. Now I have a 1-bedroom here, and I'm gonna be moving to a 2-bedroom. So it's pretty cool to kind of see like the progression and the growth and just how I'm, you know, able to get better and to do more things and to have more space to be able to do the things that I want to do. In that 2nd bedroom, guys, I want to get like some lighting. I want to make it like really nice where I can work, and then I can also set up some sort of like a YouTube studio in there as well, so I can make really nice content, because right now it's nice because I have all this natural light coming in, but I can't film at night because it's too dark. So if I have a nice light, I can start filming at night. And that rhymed. I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it rhymed. All right, guys, so that is the wrap up of the tour. Again, if you want to check out part 1 and part 2, I'm going to put cards to them right over here on your screen. Other than that, make sure you're giving the video a thumbs up. Drop in any comments, questions, concerns below. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.